Okay guys, so I'm just going to make a quick video here. Mike was asking me if I could do a video on how to create a custom alert that shows what MO detail lines are in WIP because they're trying to deal with that. So I thought I would make a quick video to deal with that. So really quickly, I'm on the dashboard right now. So when I logged in, it typically brings me to the dashboard. You'll notice that there's a number of alerts here. There's 4 of them that are pre-made that come with MISys. There's an add new down here, so I'm going to click on that. You notice that creates an alert. It says custom alert 5 there. If I go over to the right here, because I've highlighted this alert here, this first icon is the configure icon. I'm going to click on that. When I click on that, it's going to pull up a box here so I can name that alert. This one I'm going to call MO detail lines with WIP. Good and descriptive, not very creative, of course, because we're manufacturing guys, but that's okay. The data source for this is going to be manufacturing order details. I'm going to click on that. Now, they're trying to get rid of the WIP, so I'm going to say scrap MO detail here. Put that as the action that's going to be allowed on the bottom of the screen. Click next. And then I want to choose what manufacturing order details I'm going to show here. And so first thing I want to do is make sure that I only bring up detail lines that are from manufacturing orders that are active right now. So I'm going to scroll down till I see manufacturing order, manufacturer not stock, manufacturing order status. There it is right there. Is value, in this case, I'm going to say it's released. I'm going to add that to my definition down here. But I want that and something else to be true at the same time, so I'm going to click and over here. Then I'm going to click this, I'm going to scroll up, and I want manufacturer details with WIP. So I'm going to go to the WIP field here, and it already says is greater than value 0, which is what I want. So I'm going to click add, and so now I've got released MOs where the manufacturing order detail WIP is greater than 0. I'm going to save that. When I save that, you'll notice that as soon as I do it, this turns red over here. I've got these detail lines that are in WIP currently, and so I know that my alert is working properly here. Now, one of the things that we can do with this, just in case more than one person needs this, is if I hover over these alerts up here, this one says I could export the alert data. I don't want to do that. This one says import the alert definition. I don't want to do that, but I do want to export the alert definition. So in this case, I'm going to click that. I'm going to name this alert dash MO details with WIP. I'm going to save that. Now that I've saved that, that's in my documents. So I could delete this alert here. I could go to add new, and I could use the import alert definition. Click on that. It goes to documents here. I should be able to find that alert. There it is right there, alert, MO details with WIP. I highlight that, click open. Because I've done that, it's now pulled that in, and I don't need to go through the process of creating that alert because I just had the definition emailed to me perhaps. So that's how to create that alert. That's how to export it and how to import it. Hope that helps. We'll talk to you soon.